Hi, cuties! Please don't wrestle to come in the frame. We can see both of you. They have been treated so royally that makes me jealous of them. Those VR glasses have created a whole new world of green pastures, even for cows. This is important because, as you might have heard before, the more the cow stays happy, the more delicious milk they produce. After cleaning, they use specialized tools to automate the whole milking process. Those pipes send the fresh milk towards the containers without any outside contact, and the device is removed automatically once the process is complete. French butter, particularly renowned for its rich flavor and creamy texture, is typically made using traditional methods that emphasize quality and taste. At the start, the French butter involves all those steps that are taken for regular butter making before it reaches its major secret sauce. Recognize that shiny packaging? It's super delicious. I mean, at least you get the idea how delicious it's gonna be. As the regular butter arrived on the mixing, or you can say kneading unit, they made sure that it has already gone through fermentation. That is one of the secret steps to make that creamy and textured French butter. Now, this wooden kneading station has been chosen because it is a traditional technique used in the French butter making process. The butter is manually kneaded using wooden tools, which helps to improve the texture, making it softer and more consistent. This step also allows for any remaining buttermilk to be worked out of the butter, ensuring a pure and refined product. The French butter making process is a testament to the country's culinary heritage. French butter is usually packed with a punch with about 82% of fat content. That's what gives it that rich, creamy goodness that makes your taste buds do a happy dance and makes you remember the pure and conventional taste. During this step, salt may be added to enhance flavor and act as a preservative. French butter often uses salt sparingly, allowing the natural flavor of the butter to shine through. Okay, I don't know if that thumb is something personal, but it's a style. Now it comes to shaping, so they first need to extract out French butter in smaller chunks. Did you just spot the old man testing the equipment in a really odd manner? The butter is then shaped into iconic forms such as round or rectangular blocks. This is often done by handheld tools, which adds to the artisanal quality of French butter. The shaping process is not just for aesthetics. It also helps in the final firming up of the butter's texture. Now comes some hand skills. Techniques involved in making French butter have been passed down through generations, contributing to its status as a cultural heritage. Many artisanal butter producers take pride in preserving these traditional methods, ensuring that the art of French butter making continues to thrive in the modern world. Plus, it's super fun. All those butter balls will be packed in a plastic container to preserve it as long as possible, so you can have the real amazing goodness of pure culture. French butter is prized by chefs for its versatility in cooking. Its high butterfat content makes it ideal for creating flaky pastries, creamy sauces, and delicious desserts. Fish cutting and deboning in factories are part of a global supply chain that spans across continents, with fish sourced from diverse regions around the world. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the fish cutting and deboning process to monitor the quality and consistency of the product. Wet salads are a delightful culinary creation that often combines fresh, crisp vegetables with flavorful dressings or marinades to create a refreshing and satisfying dish. These salads are characterized by their vibrant colors, bold flavors, and amazing blended textures. Have you tried those chunky ice popsicles? They are so damn good, dude. You can have a burst of ice and taste of real fruits all in one bite. As they roll the molding sheets forward towards freezers, they prepare these crunchy ice pops that you can almost have any time. They look so yummy, chilled, and crunchy. They are going to get dressed so they can reach you safely. The entire process here is automated. Only quality checking labor is needed, so they can keep an eye on every popsicle while machines produce a bunch of ice pops on a daily basis. Breakfast cereal bars have gained popularity worldwide and are enjoyed by people of all ages in various countries. They are not only convenient for busy adults, but also make a convenient snack option for kids' lunchboxes or after-school activities. Some people crumble them over yogurt or oatmeal, use them as a base for homemade granola bars, or incorporate them into dessert recipes for added crunch and flavor. Must try that. From the moment you take your first bite, you're met with that irresistible taste and flavors of your favorite baked items. It's not just the taste, but keep watching the video, and you will get your answer as to why I always talk about such factory processes. Simple as that, they are efficient, they are cool, they are super satisfying. One may not like all of these things to eat, but can you resist watching these videos? It's pretty difficult, and I really appreciate your time that's been investing here since the beginning. If you want to watch more of sugary treat videos, especially at bigger levels, I recommend you subscribe to our channel. It works. That's a wrap for today, but our flavorful journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.